Okay, so why is burning the cardboard bad?
So what most people don't realize is some of the worst greenhouse gases are water vapor and CO2. And a standard combustion reaction takes carbon, which is your wood, plus oxygen from the air, and creates CO2 and water vapor. It's simple, elementary chemistry.
Okay, say that again.
It's simple chemistry.
Okay, no.
We have
There's two reasons for
combustion. So we have issues with global warming because the main things with combustion are the exhaust gases from this are water vapor and CO2, which are also the leading
two
greenhouse
worst things
gas.
that can happen are fire.
Yeah.
Worst thing that can happen is fire.
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense for the
and
planet.
if you think about
Like,
it, every
fire
vehicle
burns down the forest and so on.
So
That's
fire
bad.
burns down the forest, right? And when you look at congestion areas where we have high traffic volumes, all our vehicles run on combustion. This is basically elementary combustion here.
Right.
So we have
energy is being created from nothing.
exactly from
cardboard
yeah.
and wood.
Yes, exactly.
And trees.
Exactly. So you're burning down what we have in the air and creating gases that are destroying the ozone, which are debilitating our Arctic ice caps and all this. It's not good.
Okay, so there are two main sources of greenhouse gas. They are water vapor, which is
So the main greenhouse gases are water vapor and CO2. Now those come from a multitude of things, primarily combustion. So we have combustion of
primarily. Okay, these two things that cause global warming
are from
combustion.
Yeah, when you think about it, right? We all drive cars every single day, right? Everyone has a car. You got spark plugs that are igniting gasoline and creating water vapor and creating CO2.
Okay.
Right? We're doing this right now. You got a bunch of drunk dudes jumping on fiery wood right here. This is all, what's coming off of this is water vapor. That's what your water vapor and CO2, that's what you're seeing.
Because there's water.
And no, it's a standard reaction for combustion. Your most basic reaction for combustion is oxygen plus carbon is going to create CO2. That's basically you're looking at methane, ethane, and all of these kind of complex carbons. You're just going to take
because those things were already in.
Exactly.
Thing.
That's why cutting down the rainforest is so bad.
Because there's so much stuff
you're
in there
storing
that's getting
all
released.
that energy. You're storing all that energy, and then all of a sudden we're releasing all this back into the atmosphere.
Oh wait.
It.
So there's lots of energy and stuff in the trees.
Yes, the rainforest is a big energy store, right? People are cutting it down not only to create farmland, but you burn that so you have heat. You can have fuel for something, right? So when it pulls all that CO2 out of the atmosphere that would be destroying the ozone and storing it in forests, mainly rainforests. But when we burn it, it puts it back into the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Us as the modern generation are burning it faster than nature can recuperate.
But of course, not just the modern generation, but like
it's been going. Humans in general, basically since the Industrial Revolution.
Do you know? Are there other? Are there other living beings that create fire?
On the Earth? I don't believe so.
No. I'm just gonna say no.
There are no other living beings on the planet that create fire. Is that right?
I don't think so. No.
I feel that I've seen a documentary about.
No, there are not.
No. All right. Okay. So because of all this fire that we're making, we're hurting the planet.
Yes. Yeah. Sadly, yes. Sadly, yes. But it's like everything. It's okay in moderation. It's okay in moderation.
The fires this size are not.
But we're not in moderation for the planet.
Exactly, that's the thing.
Right.
There's 7.7
like, fire this size
billion
is
people.
And
But
here's
when
the
there's
thing.
a million people around the world building them this size.
Well, here's the thing: is like so this group of people are pretty environmentally conscious, right? We're all
Maybe.
yeah, for the most part, we love nature.
Chris,
There's
what are you
pe-
doing right now?
there's people in Dubai, right? Some of these oil barons who will fly jets to Paris to go buy underwear and fly back. So everything that we're doing tonight, if we sat today and didn't have this
Are
fire,
there really people that do that?
yeah, no, I swear to God,
That's very
swear
true.
to God.
That's true. Fuck those people. That's
Exactly.
true.
So, but it's
Also,
small wins, right?
They're in their own world.
They are because they have the
No.
money. But it's the thing, like their thought process is, I have this money, I can do whatever the hell I want. But rarely there's
No,
these-
in the same way that you have grown up in various sociological bubbles of like your whatever, these people also exist within their bubbles. Like, they don't
So,
really realize.
oil really in
I don't
the
know,
Middle
man.
East has only been in the last 50 years.
So much
really it's
energy
like
and attention
generations.
has gone into educating, like the worst off, the least powerful. But if feasibly you chose to educate the most powerful people, I don't know. That could be
It could be interesting. That's where the impact's at, right?
interesting. Okay, whatever.